Hi everyone, this is Hiral from Scrappy Happy Crafts. Today I'm going to share my first ever journal. Uh, it is vintage but little shabby chic. You'll find lots of roses and lots of vintage lady pictures. Pictures are from Pinterest. This whole kit is from Carolyn Jensen's Etsy store. The name is CarolinesCraftTree. Please check out her Etsy store. She has wonderful goodies. This is a digital kit. This is called Pretty Pink Journaling Set. And she also sent me some goodies from her store. This is her design as a, I made this journal as a guest designer for her store and she loved it because it's my first trial. Still, I did this big bunch of so many papers in it, and it's my first time tea dyeing papers. I actually baked them. Let's start with it. So I did ring binding here, some of the eyelash trims from her store. There are 3 trims, this purple, green and white. That's lilac seam binding and the crocheted trim just for the closure. This embellishment is so pretty. This is also from her store. It says dream on it. And this ticket, and this opens up. So this paper is so gorgeous. I love this rose. So I made it as a cover and then I did not even embellish it. It doesn't even need anything on it. It's so pretty. Sorry, this is my first page. This is a tuck spot where you can tuck pictures or your journaling cards. This is the pretty vintage girl from the store. The roses from the store. You also get some of the tits and bits like roses, this type of roses, and you get journaling sets. And the only good thing about digital kit I like is you can resize it. I mean, that's what I like the most about digital kits, because if you buy a paper and you need some part of it, then you have to cut it. But in this papers you can resize it up to your project. So here's a pocket, and this all paper, if you see, I tea dyed it, and it's a stencil I have in my stash. And I found this rose stencil, so I thought this is a best match to this journal. My second page. This is also from her store. It's so pretty. It's a crochet flower. Oh my god. And see the tag. This paper is also from her kit, digital kit. This mason jars. And this is a tuck spot, and I just put a flower as it seems that the flower is inside the jar. Next page is a tiny envelope, and this tag is also from her store, Just Be You. It's pretty lace behind this. I loved it, and she makes all these things by herself. It's the tuck spot. Envelope opens up. There's a postcard. I'm sorry if I'm not in the proper way of the camera. I'm so shy and talking without having nobody in my front. This paper is also from the kit. It's so pretty. All the flowers you can see. And this I got from my stash. I printed this mason jar in, I guess, it's 7 inches, yeah, because maybe a little less than 7 inches. Oh, I forgot to tell my size of the journal. It's 5 by 7. And I put some tags here with a pin closure. Then other page. This is also another embellishment from her store. This one says bravery and the cover one says dream. This is another page. The lady is, this little girl is also from the kit, and I just made it as a tuck spot. You can put whatever you can tuck here whatever you want. This is just a ticket, and you can see the stencil I use. In this page you can see a lot, and this is also a tea-dyed paper. I just tea-dyed some of our printed papers and then used in as a journal. This is a pretty girl I printed this from Pinterest. This cute little butterfly. This is also from Caroline's store. And this is so cute. You will find this butterfly everywhere because I loved it. So I just keep printing out. And this roses. They are so pretty. I loved all the roses in the kit. When she asked me to select a kit for the design team, at once I selected Pretty Pink digital kit because I loved all the roses in it. I did not tell her yet, but yeah, I love it. Love that. This is another tag, says courage, and that's a tuck spot. There's one envelope. This envelope also from the kit. You get a pre-printed envelope. You just have to print and cut it. That's it. And another journaling card. This is another tag which says creative. This is also one of the beautiful paper she has in the kit. See the lady. This is so gorgeous. I love, love, love it. One more envelope from the kit. Rose closer. This closes up actually. I have a closure here. And then that has postcards, tiny ones. I printed this from Pinterest. I loved it. This is so cute. Tiny. This paper is just from my stash, but it has a rose, so it matches the paper kit. Another lady from Pinterest. Some vintage papers printed out from Pinterest. I find a lot of good stuff in Pinterest which matches this kit because this is vintage but a little shabby. This is another girl from Pinterest, and I just framed her with pearls and lace. And this is one of the pretty tag. I have this lace. I use this lace a lot as well because I loved it. This is also from Caroline's store. She has very pretty goodies in her store. Oh my god, and see this flower. I loved it. There's a pocket, and I found this place as the best place for this flower. That flower is also from her store. This tag is also from her store. She hand stitched this, I guess. She's a wonderful lady with very, very good talent in her. Wow. Another pocket. That's a pin closure. I just put everything together. Another mason jar. That ticket. This pretty feather. And also a pretty envelope. I just distressed ink. I distressed everything in my journal with vintage photo distress ink. Oh, that's empty. I should put this inside. No, outside is good. Let me put this back all tucked together. One more tag, and this is actually a pocket. Another tag with a pin closure, some trim. Wow, this is also one of my favorite paper. I just cut this part from the paper. There's actually a lot in it, but I like this roses and small lilies, and also the flower, and there is also a tuck spot in here. This pretty envelope is also from Caroline. Oh my god, see the cute butterfly. Wow, just so pretty. This is also from her store. This is actually the whole paper, but I just scored in between and then fold it like a booklet. And then there's a belly band here with that pretty rose. Another tag from Caroline. And other stuff here. Journaling cards. Another paper from Caroline's digital kit. All the papers you see, guys, it's so pretty. And then I also printed it on shiny paper, shiny cardstock. So if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but it shines. So it looks so pretty with this kit. There's that small ticket here, and then just vintage papers. Another pretty tag says happiness. A mini envelope, and then this opens up. There's one more mini envelope here, and that another pretty rose, flower. This is also from her store. All the flowers. I use this rose a lot. I loved it. These are so cute. I printed this out from Pinterest, and then I used a bling trim to just frame it. It looks so pretty with that same roses in here. I just tried to match everything with the kit. And on the last page, that has a pocket in here. This is also from her kit, a rose. This is also from her store. She sent me this. I think this is also hand stitched and made as an embellishment. And another butterfly. And there are 2 tickets and tags and all in here to journal. And that's it. This is my first ever journal. I hope you all like it. Please check out Caroline's store. I will put the link in the description box. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Bye.